Yo, what is up guys? Sam Pack here, back with another video, and today I want to show you guys how I went from this into this. So to be honest with you guys, I haven't really put that many RGB lights in my office because it kind of gives off that gamers for life type of room, which for me, I wanted to stay away from that aesthetic because, you know, it's just not for me. But I was willing to give it a try to see how it would look, so Soundcore reached out to review their LED strip light called the Beatlights. It's an LED strip that reacts to music using a microphone on the control unit. So this video is going to be mostly focusing around these lights, but I'll leave the other RGB lights that you see in the room down in the description down below. But with that said, let's get started. So Beatlight is a simple solution if you want some reactive LED lights for a party or a show. And since this doesn't require you to have Wi-Fi, you can connect the lights via Bluetooth on your phone, and it has a simple app that you can customize and change different lighting modes and reactions. And you can also make sections of the LED strip a different color, or you can just have one static color. So in the box it comes with the lights themselves. This is a 32 feet long version, so each strip is about 16 feet. Also comes with some alcohol pads to wash the surface where you want to put the lights, some mounting tools, and the controller and the power adapter as well. So the controller has a microphone and 3 buttons: the power button, the party cast mode, and the light pattern button. The party cast mode allows you to sync up to a party cast enabled speaker or device, and the pattern button allows you to change between the lighting patterns. So for me, I'm mostly using these lights to decorate my office space and not really using it for a party, and I thought using this for my gaming setup would give me some nice vibes while playing. So as you can see, this is how it looks all set up, and it lights up the room pretty nicely. They have a nice bright light, but not overly bright where you would need diffusers. So instead of using the 3M adhesive that comes with the LED itself, I actually just use packing tape, because in the past when I've used the 3M adhesive that comes with these lights, they fall off over time, or I just want to reposition the lights, and obviously if you keep taking them on and off, they lose their stickiness. So for me, packing tape is an easier solution. It keeps the LED strips on the desk and doesn't leave any residue, but it's easy to also take off. And since packing tape is translucent, it won't block any of the LEDs, so that's my suggestion when you set these lights up. The color accuracy on these lights are better than most light strips out there. For me, the orange and the yellow kind of look a little bit washed out, but the rest of the colors look great. The microphone picks up the music pretty well, so even if the music is turned down sort of low, you won't have to worry about the LED lights not reacting to the music. And these have a IP44 rating, so they're splash proof. So if you guys are using these for parties and by mistake get some drinks on them, it should be okay. There's a bunch of rhythmic lighting modes to choose from, and here's some of the different modes. The only miss I would say about these LED lights is that they're not smart lights. If they had that, these lights would have been perfect for me, but since I control all the lights in my office using Google Home, not being able to have that function really messed things up for me. So what I had to do is just use one of my smart plugs that I had lying around that I wasn't using, and use that to be able to at least turn on and off the lights. But other than that, I think these lights do exactly what they're made for, and I think they come in at a pretty affordable price if you look at other competitors. But what do you guys think of these lights? I think they're a great addition to decorate your home office or just getting some lights for a party. But that's it for this one. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys.